In this video, we're on our way to our hometown, but we had to make a quick stop and try some river carp.
This is HAKKA, close to our village. We are about to get to our village on the way to Tapu. And this is a restaurant that we have been here every year when we pass by to this toll road.
Yep. What do they serve?
There's a lot of fish.
Lots of fish, right?
A lot of different kind of fish under the river. We'll show you what it looks like, what they look like under the river, okay? We're going to catch our own fish today. Here we go. Oh, these are not fish, these are eel. Okay, there we go, that's enough. Okay, now. Holy cow, a whole bunch of fish in here.
Wow, they got them trapped in here.
Yeah.
They really updated their trap this year. Gotta be careful.
Yeah. Oh, there's a minnow. These are minnows.
Really?
Minnows, yeah. Oh, these are shrimp. Oh my god, did you see the shrimp?
Whoa, there's a whole bunch of them.
Uh-huh.
I don't know if you guys can see it.
Ooh, they're jumping, they're jumping. Ooh, they're jumping around. Ooh.
This is, you can never get any more fresh than this, right?
Okay, right from the river. Right from the river. This
Right
is so great, yes. And now I'm going to have to be very careful. Don't want to drop in the water. There they are. Oh, we got.
You can see there's those big fishies. Don't be afraid. We're not going to eat you, right?
Maybe I can just use the net to catch it. We're going to catch the fish to eat.
Okay.
Here we go. Oh, we can. Whoa. There we go. Just eat. Oh. There we go. See, we got a fish. There we go. Nice little fish. Yeah, there we go.
Wow, he just like had no choice.
Okay.
Are you happy?
Yep. Now we got one fish for ourselves. Okay, hold on to the railing. This is the way we eat rice. They put the rice in here and they cook right in here. And this is called bát chư phon, huh? Oh, bát chư phon. This is called bát chư phon. Bát chư phon.
Okay, and let's take an overview of what we have here. These are all plastic.
HAKKA tofu.
HAKKA tofu.
And the fish I just caught minutes ago.
Oh, let me see that again. It's some kind of fish right here. Very tender, juicy, fatty fish. It looks like it's clay braised in garlic. And then celtis, which is like a mix of like lettuce and something else, right?
Yep. And the soup is fish soup. A lot of bone.
That we have right here. It's a very milky fish bone broth. And ginger and fresh fish. And that's what it looks like.
And this is radish.
And thinly chopped up radish.
How do you get radish?
Daikon radish. What do you think?
Mmm. Very soggy. No, not soggy. Crunchy.
Crunchy? But how's the soup?
Crunchy.
Try the soup
No,
itself.
the daikon.
I think they sear it a little bit already.
Mmm. So milky. I don't know what they put it into. So milky.
I think
What makes it so milky, honey? The fish make it so milky?
Yeah.
Really? Oh.
Yeah, so the fish bone itself makes it very, very milky taste. As you can see, it's like a milky looking broth.
Yep.
Okay, give it a try. Yep.
Very earthy.
Milky.
Milky.
Gingery, right?
Yeah, gingery. Yeah, gingery. Yes, that's right. Black pepper.
They put black pepper?
White.
White pepper?
White
This is
pepper.
my mom, guys. I've probably introduced her already. But she knows all about food. She can taste it.
She can cook very well.
Yep.
And what's so beautiful about this restaurant? You sit right, beautiful view. Every year we doing this. This is a way to de-stress from everyday work. I encourage you to check out at least 2 weeks to a month to do this with us. We'll take you around, let you eat fresh fish, fresh vegetables, fresh tofu, everything's fresh. And it's all raised right here, organically, in the river. Alright?
Hey, what's the fish broth good for? And daikon radish good for?
It's very good for digestion, stomach, okay? And raise some young,
And I think it provide a lot of calcium, right?
a lot of calcium, okay? And this fish are good, natural protein, good protein, okay?
同事，甘基。
This is what the tofu look like,
You should get the sauce too.
and the tofu that we have here.
Move your chopstick. Oh, very nice.
Put the juice into the tofu because this is all natural vegetable, no meat, no artificial flavor. Okay, with a lot of onion. And when you eat the rice, different from other rice, you don't have to shovel like with other bowl. You can just nicely pick it up. Although shoveling into your mouth is okay in China. A lot of people don't like tofu because it has no flavor, but this one does.
Good. How do you would describe the flavor?
The flavor is very, I would say, not so salty. Okay. Very tender.
Very tender, soft, silky, smooth, right?
Silky, yeah, very silky, tender, smooth. A lot of flavor, not the kind of tofu that you eat in the United States where it blend. This has flavor, okay?
I think it has to do with how they braised it inside the pot.
Yeah.
And they have the piece of pork in the middle of it too. This tofu has a piece of pork in the middle of it, as you guys can see.
Yeah.
Juicy, fatty pork moistens the tofu
Yeah,
further
there we go.
than it already is.
The natural
Juicy.
sweet and salty from the meat, not the artificial salt. And the onion make it taste really, really tasty.
Tasty. Why don't you try this braised fish right here in the clay pot? This original HAKKA dish.
The fish had a lot of fat, but the fat is very tight. They're not softy. They're tight.
Tight fat. You mean like high density?
Yeah, high density fat.
It's a low density.
Yeah.
Oily. It's not oily. It's more
Not
like
oily.
firm.
More firm.
Do you like the fish?
The fish absolutely fresh. Very fresh. Straight up from the river. Okay?
Got it.